Okay, we got a 2016 Dodge Ram, right?
1500.
1500.
With an electronic shifter.
Yep.
When it does not go into drive or into park, which won't select the gear at all, you can take this apart. When this will not select a gear, it's not the fuse, it's the actual module. It's the actual assembly. This is all one piece. There's 2 screws under here, and there's 1 screw right here, and this will pop off. Be careful when you take it off, you don't break any clips. Now, what you could do, because we just had this problem on this truck, you can take this out. There's 4 screws on the back side of this that will take this assembly out. It's very easy. A Phillips screwdriver takes this out. 4 screws. Take the module out, disconnect it. There's a clip on the top and a clip in the bottom. Take, if you have an air compressor at home or even a hair dryer might work. But take some air, some compressed air, and blow it into the back of the module. Before you put it all back together, test it. But most likely it will work. If not, you got to replace this module.
What will I see if I know it works?
All those lights will come on like normal and then off. But 20 minutes ago, we didn't have this light, we didn't have these lights, and it would not shift. It would start, but it would not shift into any gear. So we took it apart, took the assembly out, blew some air in it, plugged it back in, it lit up perfectly, works fine.
All right.
Worst case scenario, if the air doesn't work, you're gonna replace this module. Don't let anybody tell you it's under the truck, it's a fuse. We went through that. There's nothing on YouTube telling you about this specific shifter. It's the shifter module itself. Everything runs from here. So don't waste your time going under the truck. There's nothing under there that will affect this. That's it. If you guys have any questions on this video, contact us at Excalabur Detailing, 630-946-7726. We can answer any questions you have or walk you through it.